Okay, good evening and welcome to a new trading video. And in this video, we're gonna figuring out what we're gonna do in the coming week. And yeah, I'm very curious also because with the geopolitical situation in the Middle East, what will go happen? And I think, of course, everybody will know this is a backtest trade actually. How I should have taken it. I was long somewhere here, but then I got back to break even, and then it played out. But honestly, to be really honest, I thought getting a short over here was a good solution, but I think I'm gonna get one of the biggest spreads and stop outs ever on this trade. It is what it is anyway, because of the situation in the world. What is actually a beautiful zone as well to tap back into here and then go more far up, but political wise, I really think we just go back in towards a new all-time high somewhere soon. But anyway, just let me figure out about gold, because price action is price action and price does what it does. And to be honest, we don't have to go all the way back to a higher time frame. I mean, we can, but not to discuss, because on gold we are instantly long. And what we see over here, we took out this lows, this liquidity underneath here, and then we need make a new market structure. So for low with this high, and we're just waiting until the all-time high will get taken out once again. And we have a new low here, and the internal high over here, which we test back very beautiful before we were going into a new higher all-time high probably. So that's something I was not really aware of probably when I took my trade like this. So probably we will just target this all-time high. I think there's not really possible way to go back in towards this entry, but this should look like an entry I would love to take, but I'm not really sure. I think it will be massive price action on Monday. And anyway, if you still can enter this one, it will be very, very nice. Also, the 4-hour candles are very, very bullish. And on the 4-hour, what did happen actually? Um, I don't see any reason to go back in towards this low. Um, so we can maybe be too greedy, but this is our last little demand zone. So I want to enter on top of the demand zone. You can also just see this as our demand, because we had some compression afterwards, and that's why we're just waiting for those longs, more longs on gold. Not a single bias to go short actually, but if the price will show us, we will anticipate. And euro US dollar, I was looking for a long too, because we have we just go all the way back and we were just rediscovering this price. So we take away this and we take away everything up here. No, that is fine. Can be. What we see, we have our low. This is the last structure. As we see, we are back. We have been trading back in our 50. We tapped it twice, which is for me a strong signal. And we also hit the top of this area, of this very, very, very big kind of demand zone, however you want to call it. It's the top. And then we'll just start to take a look at that for our. And meanwhile, I'm trying to figure out a way if my mouse can go back to work. Yeah. And we have our high up here. We set a low here. We took it out. And for me, it's a very nice reason to go back up, because somehow we have also something like a trend down, trend liquidity. So this is all liquidity, like this high and also this high. I would be really happy to take that out. And so our bias is up. Have been tested back this low. We broke this last drop towards this low, and also this front like a demand zone. We tapped there twice, and for me there is reason now to take all out these highs here upwards. So I am waiting for that. We are maybe somehow in a bit of a compression, but for me on the 4 hour, oh, it is actually beautiful to take our long. Yeah, it just depends on what you want to cover. This will be a very long trade. This is the first area you want to target actually. If we go deeper in here, we also formed a slight demand zone, and we also broke kind of structure. So if we want to play it more safe, we just want to enter from somewhere here. I'm not really sure if this will work out, but this would be like the biggest opportunity to go long from. And if you go all the way back towards this area, is very, very big to cover. So maybe we should also wait until the price will go here a little bit and then test back, and then we go up. So because then we can get our stop loss on a better place. Something I'm looking at. So yeah, this could be our plan for Euro US dollar this week. I want to go back more to swing trading, but honestly, my funding account, it's Alpha Pro account where I cannot trade with news and I cannot hold over the weekend. So I also need to look for shorter time frame trades. But honestly, it's a bit messy in this area over here. Let's go to Euro and ZD. To be honest, this is Euro, Australian dollar. This is NZD probably. We went in this trade last week, but let's cover this on another chart. Wait, withdrawal, remove drawings. Okay, let's go back to the daily. We took this out into this area. We'd already have been forming a demand zone in the past, which is very, very beautiful. And because for me this area might be very strong, we created something like a new kind of structure up. And oh, this is for me something like which looks like a supply zone where I want to go to. And if you draw this, or maybe even from this high, I want to go back more into premium at least. So you also could see this like a structure change. So my plan for now is to go up, but I think longer term, I will just want to wait until the price will come back here, and then we target new lows on the daily. So how does it look like on the 4 hour? Yeah, we took this out. We have our low. We're having a high somewhere here. That's the area we're trading in. None of them got taken out. And maybe internally we took out something, and this is also very nice because after we had the drop, and this is like a real place where you can put your entries underneath. So, and we got filled. I mean, I didn't got filled. I didn't trade this. And from there, I really need to get that future back, but I don't really know because I want to stick to it. Is it maybe this one button? No, it's not it. I don't know which button anymore, but we want to go up, and this is how we're trading. We took out this area. Um, and what I saw internally why I went long, because we took out this, but maybe there is also still something like a demand zone where we want to tap in one more time, or maybe we did, because internally we're also building our way up. So maybe I was too aggressive with this long. And of course the potential to take out this low is always there, high I mean, and also this low. So that's something I'm waiting for. It's a bit messy price action, to be honest. Maybe it's still a very big range, so not too sure about this trade. And yeah, let's also just maybe look for some scalps, because we were also planning something in USD CAD last week, and we wanted to go short. Actually, I'll go back to 1 day. So we were trading in our 50, tapped in twice there, also on this little supply zone. We tapped in there twice. And we also have our low where we didn't took out the liquidity underneath there, but we set just a lower low there. We took out the liquidity in here, so of course internally you could have searched for a long. And yeah, right now we're looking for some short trades, because what did happen? We came in this area of supply. Just somewhere here. I need to draw it better, but it's okay. We tapped in once, we set a low. We tapped in twice, we break this low. So we have our break. Now I'm really not sure if we will have the opportunity the coming week to enter this because of the war. And yeah, I think I can just put it up there. It looks a bit cleaner than your US dollar, honestly. So Um, Target is low on the 4 hour. And maybe later on we can just wait until we see something nice happening also on the lower time frame. Anyway, I'm also gonna do my back testing later, and I just want to get better each day. That's also why I make these videos, and showing discipline, showing the effort, showing what is needed to get profitable, to get funded, showing the best version of myself to myself every day, and make sure I can be proud eventually. This is my way to become a profitable and yeah, so the way I can buy my own freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.